The date is the 29th of May 2025. The time is now 7:41 p.m. and I just came outside because I've just had a nice shower, and look at this. That's the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses, which is Jehovah's Temple at Jerusalem. But look, there's a cross right there. X marks the spot, right? And then you've got some strange supernatural clouds up here, and then over there, look, can't quite see with the brightness. There we go. That's a bit weird, isn't it? Yeah, it's definitely supernatural. That cross there is X marks the spot. And then, oh, that looks like a cross up there, what Jesus died on. Yeah, that's a definite sign, look. Yes, Jehovah's Witnesses, Jesus died on a cross, like everything else Watchtower gets wrong. Look at those clouds. And then that one goes all the way along there. That's not a plain trail. And then there's some strange ones, the wispy ones over there, look, in the north. Just over Steve's house there at 106 Nightingale Crescent. Yeah, these are all a bit weird here. Actually, where the sun is, they're really strange, look. Why is it going out of focus? God knows. There we go. Yeah, they're a bit weird over there. But up there is a definite, look, there's a cross there, and there's a cross there, look. See it? Can't see because it's so bright. Yeah, that's a cross up there. I've just finished my, well, I just updated my memory stick. It's an 8 GB memory stick, and it's got how many files? 48 folders and 369 files, and a total of 7.86 gigabytes that's going to be sent to the news media on the 8th of June 2025, and it will be the start of the Gog of Magog war, mentioned in Ezekiel chapter 38 and 39. But the interesting thing is, the files on the, as I said, the files on the memory stick are 369. If you look up Nikola Tesla, he was obsessed with the number 369. It's to do with the universe. So Jehovah's telling me that it's all finished now and complete. It won't be updated again now. I've got some right things on there. Going down, have a look at my folder. It's in the first link in the description. Look at these clouds. What is up with them? Oh, that's weird. And that cross there, look. That's right to the side of, is it right in the west, that is? Look, over here, it's quite normal. And that house there is 22, I've just seen a raven, harbinger of death. There it is, look. Where's it gone? It was there. Ah, yeah, that's number 22, Harrier Court, from my garden. That's in there towards the southwest. And by that door, I don't know what date it was, 26 I think. Basically these lights are on, like white lights in this window, but beside that door, and you can see the slats, look, the glass slats, and basically two reddish pillars of light, quite tall, appeared miraculously like apparitions next to it, and it's all the way through the video. I didn't actually see it, but it's obviously picked up on my camera because it's supernatural, this camera is. Like the rest of them are tablet and that. Yeah, look at that cross now. X marks the spot, you elders who wrongly disfellowship me. Yeah, they're a bit strange up there as well. Cara, Trish's dog, is round the corner on the stones making a noise. Anyway, I think that's enough now. Just look up there. Right, have a good evening. Bye for now.